Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are staying strong at your home. So, as we are done with the chapter Community Services, today we will continue with its exercise part, that is something to know, and only part ABC we will do in this, and in the next video we will do the question, answer and map skills. So, without wasting any time, let's continue. For part A is take the correct option. So, first is who constructed the sarais in olden times? So पुराने टाइम में सराइज कौन बनाता था? Options are kings, ministers, pilgrims. So correct answer is kings. Kings used to construct sarais in olden times. Now number 2, what is the technique of collecting, sorting and using rainwater known as? सो बारिश के पानी को कलेक्ट करना, उसे सॉर्ट करना और उसको लेटर ऑन यूज़ करना, इस टेक्निक को हम क्या कहते हैं? ऑप्शन आर वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग, एग्रीकल्चर और इरिगेशन. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग. पानी को इकट्ठा करना और बाद में उसे यूज़ करना. द वे वी sow crop and later on use it, that is known as harvesting of crop. In a similar way, we collect water and later on use it. That's why it is called water harvesting. Now the third part is where are kunds commonly found? Kunds आपने सुना होगा. कुंज कहाँ कॉमनली फाउंड किए जाते हैं? ऑप्शंस आर असम, तमिलनाडु एंड गुजरात. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज गुजरात. नाउ गुजरात के कुछ ऐसे एरियाज़ हैं, कुछ ऐसे पार्ट्स हैं जहाँ पे ड्राई मंथ्स में, समर सीजन में या फिर एक्सट्रीम विंटर सीजन में पानी की काफ़ी कमी हो जाती है, तो वहाँ पे कुंज कंस्ट्रक्ट किए जाते हैं, सो दैट वेन एवर द ड्राई टाइम पीरियड इज़ देयर, द ड्राई मंथ्स आर देयर, वी कैन यूटिलाइज द वाटर फ्रॉम द कुंज. Now fourth part is in our country water is mainly supplied through. हमारी कंट्री में जो पानी है वो मेनली सप्लाई होता है वेल्स, पाइपलाइंस और ट्यूब वेल्स. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज पाइपलाइंस. हमारी कंट्री में मेनली पाइपलाइंस के थ्रू ही पानी सप्लाई होता है. Now next is fill in the blanks. So let's continue with it. So first part is step wells harvest dash water. Step wells में कौन सा पानी होता है? So it is rain water. बारिश के पानी को हम step wells में collect करते हैं and later on utilize करते हैं. Now number 2 is community services had always been an important part of Indian dash and dash. So community service had always been an important part of Indian history and culture. आपने देखा होगा कि बहुत सारे religious events में हम community service practice करते हैं and हमारी history बताती है that kings used to do lot of community service. Even in our mythology we can read that people used to do lot of community services. Now next is third is dash. A great ruler understood the importance of good roads for progress of trade. So the correct is Ashoka. The great Ashoka, the great ruler, उन्होंने अच्छी सड़कों की इम्पोर्टेंस को समझा था and he also planted trees on the road sides. Now number 4, Sisandras. Sisandras were built in, of course Sisandras were built in Karnataka, they are very famous. Then number 5, a sarai is a dash house. So sarais में जाकर के people used to take rest, so they are the rest houses. Now next is state whether true or false. हमें बताना है कि ये जो statement है ये true है या false है. The first is step wells are not common in Gujarat and Rajasthan. So it is completely false because step wells are speciality of Gujarat and Rajasthan. So it is false. People are unaware about the benefits of tree plantation. This is also false क्योंकि we used to celebrate each one plant one. We used to celebrate one Mahotsav. We also practiced Chipko movement. So we are very well aware of the benefits of trees and the importance of tree plantation. Now number 3 is government and its agencies look after community service in modern time. It is true. Earlier kings used to do the same thing, but in present time the elected the democratic king, that is the government and its agencies, they used to perform these community services. Now number 4, water pollution has become a major concern in all parts of India. This is also sadly true, क्योंकि वाटर पॉल्यूशन के रिगार्डिंग बहुत ज़्यादा अवेयरनेस नहीं है. मोरओवर पीपल ऑलवेज यूज टू थिंक अबाउट देयर इंडिविजुअल इंक्लिनेशन, सो वो अपने इंडिविजुअल बेनिफिट के लिए पूरी वाटर बॉडी को पोल्यूट कर देते हैं, विच इज़ एक्चुअली बैड बट is true also. Now number 5 is water harvesting is a modern technique. So it is completely false. हमने देखा कि from the olden times people used to construct step wells, kunds and sisandras for water harvesting. So it is an old technique, not at all a modern technique, right? So this was all about the part ABC. That's all for today. Bye bye, take care.